Guys, here I am at the Dollar Tree, and I figured we'd go through the toy section and see what's new over here. So we have these pom-poms, which we've seen before, and I think we have these. I think I've seen these before, these little dolls. Then you have your table tennis balls over here and your playing cards. So over here you have the slime, and then you have the jump rope right here. Then you have the poodoo right here. Here are the dice, and those come in colors. And the sports ball. Here you have the yo-yos. These are so much fun. And you have this air play. I don't know if I noticed this before, but here that is. Air dry clay. Maybe they did have that. I'm not sure. So here you have the slinkies and the slime. And then you have these. Now I know I don't remember seeing these. These are nice. Then you have the novelty ball and the oozy goo. So they have it in that color. This I did see at the other Dollar Tree. The joking around, let her rip sound machine. So they have those in colors. Then they have the sports doll over here. So she has the tennis courts, and this one over here has the dolphin, the tennis, the dolphin. Then we have more slime down here. We have the football and the ball, just the regular balls over there. Now, then you have those stuffed dolls. I don't think I've seen these guys. These are new, at least to me. I don't think I've seen them. So these are the Fuzzy Friends, and they come in this black color, and they also come in the brown. Then you have, like I said, these dolls came out for Easter, I think. And then here you have the squishies, and these cat faces are scary, aren't they? I don't know. There's something about them creeps me out. You have all of the accessories and then their clothing. Isn't that really pretty, guys? Some more jump rope over here. Then you have the mermaid dolls right here. So here are the regular dolls, the ones that come with the accessories and the clothing. So I'm really liking the fact that they have different ethnicities here. So that's really nice. Then you have the little ponies. And look, even the princess jewelry necklace. So here's the little ponies, and then they have the fairies. And then they have that furniture for the dollhouse. And these are really cute, guys. These are like the utensils. These utensils are really nice. So they have a pack of that all the way down. And they even have the bed. Isn't that nice, guys? They have the bed for the dollhouse. Then here they have the little ponies, and they have the little bracelets. So they only have the bed right now for the doll accessories, and then here they have the glow ball. So they have that. That's new. Okay, some more mermaid dolls. They have the Play-Doh, and then they have the chalk. Some more fairy dolls. I don't think I've seen this. Look how tiny this is. Okay, Pet Shop. My Little Pet Shop. My Little Pony right here. Then you have your beads. You have some more Play-Doh along the bottom, and I love this game right here with the money. I think that's so cute. Then you have this, and you have the golf game, and then you have Paw Patrol, the little figures. Aren't they adorable, guys? And then they have this faux make it blocks with the little Lego pieces right here. Okay, and then they have some cards, like this one says Lovable Pooches. The Wonders of the Earth, Hot Rods, and Hunters. And here's Lion King cards and superhero cards. So you have that. And then what are these? These are puzzles. And those are like the little mini glow art. These remind me of the Light Bright. I don't know how many of you remember the Light Bright, but this is like the little tiny mini version. Then you have a trivia game, and you have a map of the U.S. Then you have some more puzzles over here, guys. Have the sea animals over here, but they're all in black. And then you have some of the emoji balls, and they're the reptiles right there. You have the little football, the fishing net stuff, the slingshots. These are really cool. Then you have your military men there, and you have the car, and then you have the dart game. And then you have these squishies. They're nice, guys. I love squishies. Then you have the grow animals right here. the water balls and these brain teasers, and here's the Goofy putty, and the more grow animals, and then you have the silly putty. Okay. Then you have the bath toys. Here's the rubber duckies, and here's the frogs, and here's some ninjas. Guys, you have a whole row of those. Then you have a little bit more of these Legos over here, some hand games. And then along the bottom you have the little robot toys right here. Like you have this one. And this one is a dog. And you have those back there. And then you have these cars right here for them to play with. And then you have the little princess crowns, and then you have the wings. So I'm not really seeing anything too new over here, but I thought I'd show you this area. Guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree and just checking out their toys. And I'll see you in another video.